Cup chai. Cup chai la. All right, we're in China, everybody.
Ơi, phao đèn.
China. We are in China, Asia, everybody. Kunming. We went from Boten, which is the border of Laos with China, Boten, to now Kunming, China. We are on the Laos Railway Express. Looks like a rainy day. But we are in China. And this is called Kunming. All right. Louis here in Washington, D.C. Haven't slept at all. Been fasting. Having slept in a few days here traveling from Laos to China. And Louis here from Washington, D.C. Laos, China. We are now in Kunming. Kunming, China, Asia. From Boten, Laos border with China to now Kunming. Fantastic train. Could have taken a bus. Would have been 8 to 10 hours. We just took a train within an hour or two. We're now in China. There it is, everyone. Hope you enjoyed. This is China. You guys wanted it. You got it. Very good train. I must say, quality of these trains in China, very modern. It's like floating. This train is about 1 year old. And that's it, everyone. Louis here in Washington, D.C. Hope you enjoyed it. Traveling around the world, 2 years, all throughout Asia and Southeast Asia. Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam, Philippines, China, India, Nepal. Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, Philippines, India, Nepal, China. There it is, everyone. We are now in Kunming, China.